How to add friends to your group on Settle Up. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends or members to a group on Settle Up. In order to do so, first of all, open your Settle Up application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you'll land on this homepage. Now here you will need to select the group where you'd like to add friends. Once you have selected the group, tap on the plus button at the bottom right, and then here at the bottom you'll be able to see add member option. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now here type in the name of the member you would like to add to your group. Once after entering their name, now tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, you'll be able to add this member. Now return back to the previous page. Here you may also tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and then tap on the members option, and from here also you'll be able to add new member or friends to your group. Simply tap on new member, type in the name of the member and then tap on the tick mark at the top right. By doing so, you'll be able to add friends to your group. You'll also be able to add friends by sharing the link of the group. Simply tap on the share link option right here and then share a link to the person via any social media available here. And once your friend get the link, they will need to tap on it to join the group. Also, if you want to share the QR code of your group, then tap on the show QR code right here and then QR code will be displayed on your screen. Your friends can now scan this QR and then join the group. So by following these steps, you should be able to add members or friends to a group on Settle Up. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.